Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a pinata cake at home. The word pinata means a container which is filled with goodies and candies and broken as a part of celebration. So today we'll be making the edible pinata. To make the pinata cake, we require a mold. This is a geometrical heart-shaped silicone mold. With this, we get a hammer. I am making a pink color heart. For this, we require the white chocolate compound, pink gel color, and the goodies and candies that you want to fill in. This is the first coating we've done with the white compound chocolate. I'll keep it in the fridge for 10 minutes and then we'll coat it again so that the sides are not thin, so that it doesn't break when we are unmolding it. After 10 minutes, we are going in for our second coat. Just in case your chocolate sets in, put it in the double boiler again and melt it. Keep it back in the fridge for another 10 minutes. As the pink heart is setting in the fridge, let's collect our goodies. Just make the mold a little loose from the edges so we can unmold it without breaking it. Just make it a little loose. It's a silicone mold, so it should come out easily. come out without breaking. Surprise your loved ones with a message inside. Edible pinata with goodies is ready. And now the best part. Two,